You guys see this button? You guys see this button right here? You guys see this button right here? This button. Do not press. Well, guess what? I'm gonna press it. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys! Guys, look! Balls! This one's coming towards me. Oh my god, it's the ball, guys! It's a ball! Look at all these balls! Balls! It's balls! It's balls, guys! It's balls! Sorry if you hear a dog barking in the background. This microphone is nice to pick up everything. So. Ball! Balls! Oh, more balls! I cut back right when we're done. Blue balls. We got blue balls. Red balls. Purple balls. Green balls. Yellow balls. We got all the balls. We got every ball. We got green, yellow, red, orange, and purple balls. I'll be right back when this room fills up with more balls. Okay, guys. Oh yeah, I got glasses. It's Get down to the floor! Get down! No floating balls! Get out of here! You guys want to know the serious problem that I fucked doing? Grabbing all red balls and putting them all in a corner. But here's the problem. There's too many balls here for me to do it by myself. Too many balls! Look at all of them! So many! So many balls! They're falling from the sky. They're falling from the sky! Ball falls from the sky. Was it an orange? I don't remember what I had. There's so many balls, guys. So many. Why does this room get me so excited? I don't understand. I don't understand myself! I know where to go when I get bored and lonely. Here! They just keep coming! The balls keep coming! Look at them! Oh, jeez, this is a close one. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. Get back! Oh, no. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. It just keeps filling up with more and more balls. And my screen is starting to get more wavy. I see a force field coming down when they keep coming. Is this gonna keep coming? It's getting closer to me! So many balls, guys. So many balls. Look at them all. Oh no. There's more balls than there was yesterday. Stay back. Stay back. I got 2 pairs of balls and I'm not afraid to use them. Look at this stack. It's getting thick. It's getting big right here. Look at this. It's almost getting as tall as me. I just go here and grab one more ball and put it right here. It's about the same height. They just keep on coming. They keep on coming! Over here is already 3 layers deep. Boom! Guys, I think it's starting to get more wavier here. I think it's almost time for me to go. I just uploaded the video. Look at how much balls are getting here. So many. So many balls. Hope guys. I hope you guys like this balls experiment because truth to be honest, I'm losing my frames. Let me check my FPS. 11, 12, FP 10, FPS. I'm losing my frames, guys. Bye. I hope you guys all have fun. You guys might not see me ever again. I probably might drown in a ball pit. No, that's my worst nightmare! It's coming true! Ah!